What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna go check out what the window installers did. They already put up some windows, so we're gonna go see the progress and what else they have to finish. So as you can see, there's gonna be the main entrance. Here are the double doors. We already have these panels up. We have these panels here up as well. We have a couple more panels that need to be installed. We already put some windows up in here. And we already put some windows up in the garage. We have the plumbers working here, as you can see. They love talking shit. And we have some framing up. We already have the framing downstairs. There's the kitchen over here. I didn't know you would take it, man. I'm sorry. Here we have pockets for the curtains. They're gonna be electric. They could go up and down. Show them inside the pocket. So the plumber's doing all the drains for the second floor. That's what you see there. And up here we're missing to put the rest of the windows. The delivery is going to be done tomorrow because a part of the window order is missing. We only have one window installed. And the second floor right here, we only have one window. But we already have everything framed up. The ceilings are up, so the electrician's going to come in soon and start putting in his lights. Here we already have the shower. We already have the openings for the drains of the shower. There's another bathroom here. We have a drain for the toilet. We have the drain for the shower here as well. Here we have a little niche so we could put in shampoos and all the things you need for the shower. This right here, we're going to close this up. There's going to be part of a closet for this room over here. See, when we're doing houses, one thing that's important is putting the backing. This backing is for the TVs. So when you put the drywall, you mount your TV is going to be held down pretty good. It's not going to fall. You can see I can hang on this. It's not falling. Siempre es una pulgada. Eso no sabe. Siempre es una pulgada. Cuando más, 3/4. 3/4. Lo mínimo. Para jugar con un cuarto y un dos. En el estofrón es vertical. Y van 3, media altura. So yesterday I was talking to one of my friends in the construction site, and he was telling me that he was about to get a big project, probably like 100 houses. But he's making like the bare minimum, only like $1,000 per house. So he was telling me if I think it's a good idea, which I mean, $1,000, he's doing 100 houses, he's making 100 grand. But me personally, I told him, I don't like to do jobs that I'm gonna make a little bit of a profit in, even if it's of a lot of volume, because it's 100 headaches. Yeah, you're gonna make 100 grand, and he's only supervising these jobs. He's not really like doing any actual work in them. He's just gonna be a supervisor, but he's making like $1,000 profit off of each job. So I told him, look, Me personally, if I'm gonna make a small amount of profit on a job, I prefer not to do it if it has a lot of volume, because you're gonna have 100 headaches, and all you're making is a small margin of profit. I prefer doing one job and making a large profit, like 100 grand, and only have one headache, but I'm getting paid well for that headache, instead of having 100 headaches and only getting paid a small amount for it. So you guys have to be careful when you're getting work. Make sure if it's worth it. You know, sometimes a lot of guys are just trying to get work just so they could have, you know, a little bit of money coming in. But at the end of the day, you're really just causing yourself a big headache for a small amount of money. So you're showing yourself what you're worth, meaning you're not worth that much. So when you start valuing your time and putting the right price for yourself, you're gonna start getting the type of work that you want and the type of work that you need. You're gonna be compensated for your time. So keep that in mind. So we're pulling up to a new client's house. It's not a client yet, but we're gonna go give them a quote. They have some plans that they want to show me, so I can give them a quote. So let's see how this interaction goes today, and let's see if we're able to close the deal. So there's an addition that we're gonna give a quote to finish off. I guess she already has someone that started the work and didn't finish it, so they called us out here to finish the job. So I'm gonna look at the plans and see what's missing. I want to see how much we can charge for this. Everything here is done on plan, not concrete. So out here they need to do a stucco still. They need to put the windows. The roof apparently is already done. I mean, they have pretty much everything else done. They already have the roof done. They already have the electrical ran. You're not gonna have any plumbing in here. I don't see any bathrooms or anything. So
No bathroom, no plumbing.
Okay.
But they have to correct it. It's still
So this right here is the new addition.
yeah.
They're still missing the wiring.
Yeah, but when you look at the schedule, and they have to redo the roof, because I'm not gonna take this nail door and everything there. Okay.
Here, I don't see it's asking for insulation on the walls, but you should have insulation. ¿Qué cosa? ¿Esto?
O sea, pintarla sin
Ah, ya.
patearla.
Sí, porque no tiene plástico. ¿Y al lado?
Y
Ya.
aquí,
Y esto aquí tenés que arreglar aquí, ¿verdad?
sí, hay que darle porque en parte la pintura está
Oh
despegada.
yeah, because the paint came off when they pressure washed it. So they have to restucco the wall so everything can match. Because if now when you paint it, you're gonna have the difference.
Por ejemplo aquí dice, no, dale un Pressocline light que no arranque toda la pintura
Yeah.
para pintarlo ahí mismo. Pero eso sí ahí estaba despegado.
Yeah,
Pero mira, si la
Yeah,
pintas
yeah.
se mira feo, ¿eh?
yeah.
Oh, eso se ve una mochera ahí, está ahí. ¿No está plateando ya?
Están poniendo los corner beats. Y aquí también le tienen que poner corner beat, ¿o no?
No.
¿No la vas a poner aquí en esta esquina?
Esa para no hacer nada.
Ah, ya. Solo hiciste las bandas. Yeah, so the guys are gonna paint the house, but they're doing the replaster first because some places where they pressure washed, they ripped off chunks of the old paint.